Hello, hello.
Hello, Bella.
Hi, Andy.
Are you ready today?
Yes, I am. Are you ready?
I'm ready too.
Great. Let's begin.
Welcome to Fluent First Steps.
This is the place to start English
Start slow.
and grow fast.
Today is all about listening.
Just listen, no pressure.
No stress, no worry.
Only listening, only fun.
So, Bella, what are we doing today?
I don't know. What are we doing?
It's something special.
Something new?
Yes, your first English listening test.
A listening test?
Yes, but it's easy.
Is it hard?
No, it's not hard.
Is it long?
No, it's short.
Oh, that sounds good.
You just have to listen.
That's all?
Yes, listen to our story.
Okay, that sounds fun.
Let's begin the story.
What's the story?
We go to the park.
The park. I like the park.
Me too, it's sunny today.
The sun is shining.
Yes, it is.
The sky is blue.
Very blue.
Let's go to the park.
Yes, let's go to the park.
Wait,
What is it?
we need to pack a bag.
Good idea.
What do we need?
Let's take water.
Yes, water is important.
And let's take a snack.
What snack?
Maybe a banana.
I love bananas.
Me too. They are sweet.
Sweet and soft.
Water and banana.
Good start.
What else?
A hat.
Yes, it is sunny.
My hat is pink.
Mine is blue.
Pink and blue.
2 hats for 2 people.
Do we take a book?
A book is nice.
I have a book about cats.
Cats are funny.
My book has pictures.
I like pictures.
What book do you have?
A book about space.
Planets and stars?
Yes, planets, stars, and the moon.
That's a cool book.
Thank you.
Let's check our bag.
Yes, check the list.
Water?
Check.
Banana?
Check.
Hat?
Check.
Book?
Check.
We are ready.
Let's go to the park.
Yes, let's go to the park.
Do we walk or take the bus?
Let's walk.
Good idea.
It is good to walk.
It's good for the body.
And it's free.
Yes, free is good.
How long is the walk?
About 15 minutes.
Not too far.
Not far at all.
Do we walk past the store?
Yes, the green store.
I like that store.
They sell apples.
Red apples.
And green apples too.
Apples are yummy.
What do you see on the street?
I see a tree.
What color?
Green, big and green.
Nice, I see a dog.
What kind of dog?
A small dog, brown and white.
That sounds cute.
It is very cute.
I also see a bicycle.
What color?
A red bicycle.
Is it fast?
Yes, very fast. I hear something.
What do you hear?
Children.
They are laughing.
They are playing.
We are close to the park.
I see the gate.
I see the trees.
The park is beautiful today.
It really is.
We made it.
Yes, we are here. Yes, good for the heart.
And good for the brain.
Let's sit down.
Let's drink water.
Let's eat the banana.
And read the book.
Good idea.
Andy,
Yes,
I think this was my first listening test.
and you did great.
It was not hard.
It was just real English,
Simple English.
but useful.
Yes, very useful.
I'm happy we did this.
Me too.
Let's say the phrase one more time.
Yes, one more time.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park. Andy, look at that bench.
The red one?
Yes, let's sit there.
Good idea. My feet are tired.
Mine too, let's rest.
Do you want your banana now?
Yes, please, I'm a little hungry.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Is it sweet?
Yes, it's very sweet.
I like sweet bananas.
Me too, not green, not hard.
Soft bananas are the best. Do you want water?
Yes, a little.
Here's your bottle.
Thank you.
Cold or warm,
It's a little warm.
but still good.
Yes, it's good. Water is always good. Andy, what do you see from here?
I see a man with a dog.
What kind of dog?
It's a big black dog.
Is the dog happy?
Yes, the dog is running.
I like happy dogs.
Me too.
I see 2 girls with a ball.
Are they playing catch?
Yes, one girl throws the ball.
And the other girl catches it?
Yes, they're very fast.
I used to play that.
Me too.
Bella, let's do a mini practice.
Okay.
How many people do you see?
1, 2, 3, 6 people.
6 people.
And 2 dogs.
Very good.
Can I try something?
Sure.
I want to spell the word park.
Okay, go ahead.
K.
Perfect. Park.
Andy, do you hear that?
What is it?
Bird?
Where is it?
In the tree, look.
Oh, yes, a small bird.
What color is it?
Yellow and white.
That's beautiful.
I love birds in the park.
Me too, they sound so nice.
Their songs are soft.
And happy.
Yes, happy sounds.
I see a family.
Where?
Near the big tree.
I see them.
They have a baby.
And a blue blanket.
They look peaceful.
The baby is quiet.
Maybe sleeping.
That's nice. What time is it now?
Let me see. It's 2 o'clock.
Still early.
Yes, lots of time.
I like slow days like this.
Me too, no rush.
Just sun and trees.
Just soft wind and calm air.
Let's read our books now.
Okay, I'll read 1 page.
Me too.
My book says, the cat is on the bed.
A classic cat.
Next line, the cat is very fat.
Oh, a fat cat.
And then the cat sleeps a lot.
I like this cat already.
I think you do.
My book says the moon is round.
That's true.
The stars shine bright.
Also true.
There are many planets.
I know on Mars.
Good.
I want to go to the moon one day.
Let's go to the moon.
Not today, Andy.
Okay, just the park for now.
Yes, let's go to the park. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What's your favorite thing in the park?
The trees.
Why the trees?
They are tall, they are green.
And they give us shade.
Yes, that too.
I like the benches.
The red bench.
Yes, it feels nice.
It's a good place to sit.
And look around.
And listen.
Yes, just listen.
Bella, you're doing well.
Thank you.
You're speaking clearly.
And you're listening kindly.
I like this practice.
Me too.
It doesn't feel like a test.
It feels like a moment.
A calm moment.
A happy moment.
Say it with me, Bella.
Say what?
Our phrase.
Let's go to the park.
Yes, let's go to the park.
Andy, look over there.
Where?
Next to the flowers.
Oh, I see something.
What is it?
I think it's a squirrel.
A squirrel?
Yes, a small one.
Wait, is that a cat?
A cat? I thought it was a squirrel.
No, it has pointy ears.
But it moves fast.
Maybe it's both?
A cat squirrel?
That's not real, Andy.
Oh, you're right. It's just a cat.
A very fast cat.
I was confused.
Me too, but it was funny.
A little funny and a little strange.
Andy, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What does shade mean again?
Shade, it's the cool place under a tree.
Oh, not color shade?
No, this shade means no sun.
Got it. A tree makes shade.
Yes, when the sun is hot, we sit in the shade.
Thank you for explaining.
Anytime I forget words too.
Really?
Yes, it happens.
I feel better now.
Bella, how do you spell tree?
T.
Good, now try sun.
N.
You're fast.
It's fun to spell.
What about cat?
C.
Great job.
Andy, I saw a sign.
What did it say?
It said, do not feed the ducks.
Oh, why not?
I don't know.
Maybe the food is bad for them.
That makes sense.
Ducks need special food.
Not bread?
Not bread. Bread makes them sick.
I didn't know that.
I just learned it today.
We learn new things every day.
Yes, every single day.
Andy, do you hear that sound?
Yes, it's loud.
Is it music?
No, it's a phone.
Oh, I thought it was music.
Me too at first.
It's not your phone?
No, is it yours?
No.
Then maybe that man's phone.
Yes, he's answering it now.
That was loud.
I was a little surprised.
Me too.
But it's okay now.
Bella, do you want to play a little word game?
Sure.
I say a word and you say what you see.
Okay.
Tree.
I see a big tree.
Dog.
I see a brown dog near the bench.
Book.
I see your space book in your hand.
Sun.
I see the sun in the blue sky.
You're good at this.
I like this game. Andy, I just remembered something.
What is it?
I forgot to bring a pen.
Oh no.
I wanted to write in my notebook.
It's okay. You can write later.
True, but I feel a little sad.
Don't worry.
Really?
Yes, I forget things too.
What do you forget?
Sometimes I forget my keys.
Oh no, keys are important.
I know. That's why I put them in one place now.
Good idea. I'll do that too.
Bella, what's your favorite word today?
Banana.
Why banana?
It's fun to say.
Banana.
Banana.
It sounds happy.
Yes, happy and soft.
I think my favorite word is shade.
Oh, 'cause it's cool?
Yes, it's a peaceful word.
A cool word on a sunny day. Andy, can I say something?
Yes, of course.
I felt a little nervous at the start,
That's okay. New things are hard.
but now I feel calm.
I'm glad.
Talking with you helps.
Listening with you helps me too.
We help each other.
Yes, we do.
One more time?
One more time.
Say it with me.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park. Andy, do you feel better now?
Yes, much better.
Not nervous anymore?
Not at all. I feel calm.
That's great. I feel calm too.
That's the magic of the park.
The trees, the sun, the wind,
The sound of birds, the sound of children.
the soft sound of life.
It's peaceful here.
I like peaceful places.
Me too, very much.
Let's remember our day.
Yes, a good idea.
First, we packed our bag.
What did we pack?
A bottle of water,
A banana,
2 hats,
one pink, one blue,
a book about cats.
and a book about space.
That's our park bag.
A perfect bag for a sunny day.
Then we walked to the park.
How long did we walk?
About 15 minutes.
What did we see on the way?
A green tree,
A red bicycle,
dog,
and a little store.
the green store with apples.
Red apples, green apples.
I like that store.
Me too. Then we sat on a red bench,
Yes, and we drank water.
and we ate a sweet banana.
That banana was so good.
Not too hard, not too soft.
Just right.
Just right for the park.
We also read our books.
My book had stars and the moon.
Mine had cats sleeping and cats jumping.
That sounds funny.
It was nice and simple.
Like this day.
Yes, like today.
Let's do a mini quiz.
Yay, let's go.
What color is my hat?
Blue,
Good. What fruit did we eat?
banana,
What sound did you hear in the tree?
a bird singing,
What word means no sun?
shade.
Excellent.
Ask me more.
Okay, spell sun.
S,
Now spell book.
B.
Good job, Bella.
Thank you, Andy. Now I ask you,
Oh, okay, go ahead.
what color is my hat?
Pink.
Correct. What book did I bring?
A cat book.
Right again. How many people did we see near the tree?
A family, 3 people.
Yes. What did they have?
A blue blanket and a baby.
You remember everything.
Bella, what was your favorite moment today?
My favorite moment was when we listened to the birds.
Why that moment?
It was quiet and soft and calm.
I like that moment too.
What was your favorite moment?
When we spelled words.
Oh, you like spelling?
Yes, it helps me think in English.
That's smart. Andy, do you feel like today was a test?
No, it felt like a story.
A story with small words.
And big meaning.
A story with slow talking.
And clear sounds.
I like this kind of learning.
Me too.
No pressure.
Just listening.
And talking.
Talking about real things.
Yes, real life in English.
Bella, do you think we'll come back to the park?
I hope so.
Maybe next week?
Yes, and maybe we can bring a sandwich.
A banana sandwich?
Maybe, or cheese and bread.
I like that.
We can sit in the same place.
On the red bench.
With our books.
And our water.
And maybe a pen this time.
Yes, a pen for your notebook.
I won't forget it next time.
The sun is still shining.
But it's a little lower now.
The light feels softer.
The wind is cooler.
The trees are still.
The park is quiet.
It feels like the end of a good movie.
Or the last page of a good book.
I don't want to leave.
Me neither.
But we can come back.
Yes, let's come back soon.
Bella.
Yes.
Can we say it one more time?
You mean our phrase?
Yes, the special one.
Okay, let's say it.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park. Andy.
Yes, Bella?
I feel different now.
How different?
I feel stronger.
That's a good feeling.
I listened, I spoke.
And you understood.
Yes, I did.
That's real English, Bella.
It felt simple, but good.
That's what we want here.
At FluentFirstSteps.
Yes, this is the beginning.
A fun beginning.
A calm beginning.
A friendly beginning.
Bella, what was your favorite word today?
I think shade.
Why shade?
Because I learned it today.
And now you remember it.
Yes, a new word in my head.
That's the best feeling.
What's your favorite word?
Peaceful.
Oh, that's a nice word.
This park is peaceful.
And our time here was peaceful too.
Yes, soft and slow.
Easy and warm.
Just like the sun today.
I liked when we looked at the birds.
I liked that too.
The little yellow bird in the tree.
And the big black dog running near the bench.
And the family with the baby.
And the child with the red balloon.
So many nice pictures.
Yes, park pictures in our mind.
And when we played the spelling game.
You spelled tree, book, and banana.
And you spelled sun, cat, and hat.
That part was fun.
It was small but fun.
Small steps make big progress.
Yes, one word at a time.
One letter at a time.
Do you remember the cat we saw?
The one I thought was a squirrel?
Yes.
That was confusing.
But funny.
You really laughed at me.
A little.
You were kind. I'll never forget that moment.
I won't forget it either.
Bella, do you know what I like?
What?
I like how you say, let's go to the park.
Really?
Yes, your voice is happy when you say it.
Because it makes me feel happy.
Can you say it again?
Okay, let's go to the park.
There it is, I smiled again.
Me too.
That phrase is our special phrase.
Yes, it's simple but strong.
Like the best kind of English.
Easy and full of meaning.
Like a door that opens.
Like a soft welcome I want to remember today.
Me too.
The soft wind.
The red bench.
The sweet banana.
The water we shared.
My pink hat.
My blue one.
My cat book.
My space book.
And all the English we spoke.
All the words we said.
All the things we saw.
And all the feelings we felt. Bella, can I ask you something?
Yes, of course.
Did this feel like a test?
No, not at all.
Me too.
It felt like real life.
A small day in small English.
But with big smiles.
Big understanding.
And small fears.
And those fears got smaller.
Yes, they did. Can we come back here?
Of course we can.
I want to come back and learn more.
More words, more sounds.
More listening.
More calm.
Next time, can we bring a sandwich?
A banana sandwich?
Maybe, or peanut butter.
Let's bring something tasty.
And a pen.
So you can write.
Yes, this time I won't forget.
You remembered a lot today.
That's true.
You remembered shade.
And squirrel.
And cat.
And peaceful.
Those are good words. Bella, I think Fluent First Steps is a good name.
Why?
Because it's true.
First steps in English.
But not alone.
We walk together.
Step by step.
Word by word.
Sound by sound.
That's how we learn.
That's how we grow.
And someday we run.
But first, we walk.
Before we go, Andy.
Yes.
Can we say goodbye in English?
Yes, let's try.
I say first.
Go ahead.
Goodbye, Andy. I had a good day.
Goodbye, Bella. I had a good day too.
See you next time.
See you again soon.
Thank you for today.
Thank you too.
One last time.
One last time.
Our phrase.
Our park phrase.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.